So we've just walked in. It is an adjoining room, but obviously we're not using the adjoining room. TV's on. We're on a ground floor. We're 2312. Oh, look at the light. That's really cool. Woody and Woody's boot. And then we've got a nice mirror over here as well. Hello. Seats as well. And then window. I think it's a double bed. However, I'm pretty certain this pulls out to a bed as well, which is really good. And then over here, you've got where we've come in, and then a little area here for your cases and everything. And then you can hang some stuff up here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, about 5 hangers each, which is useful, and then more storage up here as well. Not sure what that is, safety first, but then we've got a safe there, bolt on the door, and then you've got your fire evacuation plan here. And then just in here we've got the bathroom, so quite a plain, you know, basic bathroom, just does you know, for your time. And then, oh, the shower's quite nice, so shower bath, which looks nice as well. It all goes with the theme. And then we've got Disneyland Paris, or is it going to focus? Disneyland Paris, Let's Ride, Toy Story, shampoo. So that's nice. And then a few little toiletries here. So we've got a shampoo and a, what's this, is body wash. Oh no, 2 shampoos by the looks of it. And yeah, so this is the room. Got some nice soap as well. And here I am again. And you've got a little hairdryer on the side as well. So quite roomy in here. I really like this. I think it looks really cool. Yeah, we're on the ground floor, so I guess we'll see how noisy it is and check that. But yeah, the room is really nice. Gosh, it's really quiet, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think all of these are the rooms then, because they go either side of the general store here and up there. Choco wagon.